Imagine a world where bodies couldn't create new life and where growth, mood, and metabolism had no control system. Our survival depends on two amazing systems, the reproductive system and the endocrine system. Today, we'll take a quick but fascinating journey through both to see how they work, how they connect, and why they are vital to life. The reproductive system. Our link to the future. The reproductive system is the set of organs and processes that allow humans to produce offspring. Its ultimate purpose? To ensure the survival of our species. There are two types in humans, male and female, each with unique organs and roles, but working together toward one goal, creating new life. The male reproductive system main job, produce and deliver sperm, the male reproductive cells. Key parts are testes, make sperm, and testosterone, the male sex hormone. Epididymis, stores sperm while they mature. Vas deferens, transport route for sperm. Glands, seminal vesicles, prostate, add fluid to sperm to form semen. Penis, delivers semen into the female reproductive tract. Fun fact are each drop of semen contains millions of sperm, but usually only one will fertilize an egg. The female reproductive system main job is produce eggs and provide a safe place for a developing baby. Key parts. Ovaries, release eggs and make estrogen and progesterone, female sex hormones. Fallopian tubes, carry eggs and are the site of fertilization. Uterus, where a fertilized egg implants and grows. Cervix, the narrow gateway between uterus and vagina. Vagina, receives sperm and serves as the birth canal. The big event, fertilization and birth. Fertilization happens when sperm meets egg in the fallopian tube. The fertilized egg becomes a zygote, then an embryo, and later a fetus. Around 9 months later, childbirth occurs, the ultimate outcome of the reproductive system's work. 2. The endocrine system, the body's chemical messenger network, 4 to 5 minutes. Introduction. While the reproductive system creates new life, the endocrine system controls how life develops and functions. It's a network of glands that produce hormones, chemical messengers that travel through your blood, telling your body what to do and when to do it. Major endocrine glands and their roles. Pituitary gland, the master gland at the base of the brain, controls other glands and regulates growth, reproduction, and water balance. Thyroid gland regulates metabolism, how fast or slow your body uses energy. Pancreas controls blood sugar with insulin and glucagon. Adrenal glands release adrenaline and cortisol during stress and help regulate salt and water balance. Ovaries and testes produce sex hormones, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, and play roles in reproduction. Hormones, the body's instructions. Hormones act slowly compared to nerve signals, but their effects last much longer. They control growth, metabolism, mood, sleep, and even puberty, the stage when reproductive organs mature. How the endocrine and reproductive systems work together. The endocrine system controls the timing and function of reproduction. FSH and LH hormones from the pituitary trigger the ovaries and testes to produce eggs, sperm, and sex hormones. During puberty, hormone levels rise, leading to reproductive maturity. In females, hormones regulate the menstrual cycle and pregnancy. In males, hormones maintain sperm production and male traits. The reproductive system creates new life through the production of sperm and eggs, fertilization, and development of a baby. The endocrine system sends out hormones that control growth, metabolism, mood, and reproductive functions. Together, they ensure that life not only survives but thrives and continues. These two systems are just the beginning of your journey into human biology. In the full course, we'll explore them in depth, from each organ's role to the step-by-step processes of development to the amazing ways hormones and reproduction are interconnected. Let's dive deeper together.